Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm making a very simple beginner candle with easy to find supplies from the candle start. For this candle, I'm gonna use vanilla waffle fragrance oil, stabile 16 wick, which is ideal for a jar with 8 cm diameter, and soy wax blend S16, ideal for jar candle, and of course the 8 cm jar. I'm gonna measure 200 grams of soy wax blend S16. Then I will add 6% fragrance oil, which is approximately 12 milliliters. Now I will melt the wax until it reaches around 70-75 degrees Celsius, making sure it's fully melted. In the meantime, I will clean the jar with sanitizing alcohol and I will secure the wick into the center. When the wax is fully melted, it's time to add the scented oil and mix continuously until it's fully incorporated. After that, I will let it cool down and put it into the jar at the ideal temperature of 55 to 60 degrees Celsius for a smooth finish. While the candle in the jar is cooling, I'm gonna melt a small amount of pillar mold soy wax, PM7. This wax is ideal for decorative elements because it releases easily from the molds and helps prevent breaking when unmolding. My wax has cooled, so now I'm making small holes to release any air pockets, then I will pour a little bit more wax on top. Once the snowflake decoration is ready, I will add a little mica powder to give the candle a shiny sparkling effect. I will sprinkle a little bit of glitter as well for extra sparkle. My candle is now ready, so the only thing that I have to do is to trim the wick. I will let the candle cure for at least 24 hours before lighting it, but for the best scent, it's better to wait at least 1 to 2 weeks. Now you have a candle ready to use for yourself, for aromatherapy, or even to gift it. I hope you enjoyed my video and you find it useful, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye!